Hey guys, Jacob from Go Industrial. Today I'll be giving you a quick breakdown of the GRACO Magnum range, which is for our homeowners, our DIYs, and as we move up the range, it's for our builders and handymen. So we break our categories down into three easy sections. We've got our lightweight projects, our mid-sized projects, as well as our major projects. Why we define them in those three categories is to make sure that you're looking within the right sprayers that are going to do the job depending on how small or how big your project is. So let's start at our lightweight projects. We've defined three sprays in this range. If we're looking at a handheld format, if we're doing smaller projects, like we might be respraying furnitures, it might be one section of a small fence, could even be just one brick wall or a facade of your home. These are a couple of handheld bottles, which we call the Magnum True Coat 360, as well as the 360 DSP, which stands for dual speed, so low and high speed. So these handheld machines really are meant for a couple of litres at a time at most when you're spraying, as opposed to our Project Paint Plus, which kind of starts us off in that electric stand format, where we've got a suction tube that goes into the paint drum, and then we have a 7.5 metre hose and gun to suit. This would be awesome if you've got small bedrooms you're wanting to paint in your interior. Again, small section of fence, something like that within that range. Wouldn't be spraying any more than kind of 10 litres at a time. This is an awesome place to start if you're new to spraying or you only have a small job to knock over. Where we start to hit the limitations there is if we're taking on a little bit bigger of a project, which transitions us into our mid-sized projects, and we've got a couple of sprayers that suit for that. So when we're looking at a mid-sized project, we're looking at a couple of rooms interior, or we're looking at an exterior respray. It could be a facade on the side of your house, could be 15 to 20 metres worth of fencing, could be a fair bit of furniture. As we're starting to use more paint, we need to think about increasing the size of our sprayer, so that's our pump as well as our motor. So when we're looking at an exterior respray particularly, we're going to be spraying with exterior acrylic paints. So for example, if we're using tint exterior, or if we're looking at a Dulux weather shield, it's a lot thicker. So we need a bigger sprayer that's going to actually be able to push that paint through and spray it effectively. So that brings us into the two models, or three models that we've got in the mid-size range. We've got our X5 as well as our X7. So these sprayers really vary, one just being slightly bigger than the other. One's on a stand, one's on a trolley for portability. So these are our two electric units. Again, 7.5 metre hose, gun and tips. Happy days, but we've also got a handheld format that'll punch a bit more paint out for those bigger furniture resprays. Or if you want to stay in the handheld format to spray some cornice in the interior of your house, if you've got one ceiling to do, but you don't want to plug in, set up and prime through the lines, we've got the True Coat 360 VSP, which stands for variable speed, so you can actually adjust your pressure as you go. That ties off our mid-sized projects. So when we're moving into major projects, that's if you've got the big task ahead of you of repainting your entire interior, your entire exterior. If you've got in excess of, I'd say, about 30 metres worth of fencing, or you know that you've got more than 3, 4, 5 projects that you actually want to airless spray, that's when we're moving into this bigger range. So we're looking at our Magnum Pro X17 on a stand. We're looking at our Magnum Pro X19, which is on a trolley mount. Again, a little bit bigger in pump and motor size to handle more paint, thicker paints, more spraying, as well as our Finish Pro GX19, which is an absolute beast for spraying trim, spraying interiors, and it has a cool hopper system. We do have a handheld option between all of that, which is called our GRACO Ultra and Ultra Max handhelds. These are awesome, and they can handle kind of smaller projects, but on a greater scheme and at a quite professional quality. This is actually a contractor's gun that we've put within this range, because a lot of DIYs hook in on weekends. If they've got bricks to spray, bits and pieces, this still does the job. So that wraps up our GRACO Magnum DIY range. We are exclusive GRACO specialists here in Australia, and we will support you all the way through with our DIY gear. So if you've got any questions, get in touch. We're quite active on Instagram and YouTube, so jump on whichever channel you'd like. Hit us up with any questions. We're more than happy to hold your hand through the process of getting into airless spraying. Thanks so much.